Hi everyone, welcome to the GraceLife DIY home decor. Now today's video is decorating with watermelon decor. So let's get started. Now you can go ahead and either DIY or decorate with watermelon decor, but I chose to do a table for two. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Watering Watermelon Open Collaboration. And obviously this is for summertime, and it's being hosted by Jennifer at Home, the GraceLife DIY Home Decor, that's myself. Then we have Debbie Bubbles and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I absolutely love watermelon, but watermelon and decorating with watermelon accents here and there. I find the Dollar Tree is pretty good at this and very budget friendly, and so that's what I did. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so that I can finish decorating this table for two in watermelon. this looks pretty refreshing, don't you? I did add the lemons, and let's head on over to the review, guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.